This is OPPO A98, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the Nearby Share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features. Then tap at the Nearby Share icon at the control panel. In order to activate this function, you will need to turn on the Use Nearby Share toggle. Then from here you can rename your device if you want to. Then you can manage and control and restrict or not restrict, manage the device visibility, so make it either restricted or not restricted at all. Then you can change the network type that will be used for the file transfer, and everything is set up successfully and ready to be used. So for example, I will share the screenshot I just took through the Nearby Share from my other Nokia smartphone that I have, and see how well it works. So as you can see, the picture was sent and received successfully, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.